Okay, let's try this again. My last live was not live. It was live, but there was no audio. So let's do this again. So as you can see, I'm in some Nikkei already. But what I really wanted to announce was the awesome deal that Apex has going on right now. 90% off of any account size. 90% off now and 90% recurring as long as you keep the subscription active. But this deal is only valid until the 20th. Use code PROSPECT. My code is all over my bio, all over YouTube. It's on TobyTrades.com. Take advantage of that. If you have any issues, hit me up. I'll be more than glad to help you out, walk you through whatever you need. Check it out. That's an amazing deal. They do this hardly ever. I mean, it doesn't get much better. Only thing that's better is free, and you're not going to see that. So, meanwhile, my Nikkei is kicking ass right now. So, let's hope that this continues right now. Nikkei likes to go up 200, 250 points and then come right back down. So, we will see. Let's see here. Need 1 minute to adjust some things. I'll be right back on web, on cam.
Bullish TP signal.
Alright, I am back. So if anyone ever wants to trade the Nikkei, hit me up. I like to trade it. I enjoy it. Alright, I am back. Some nice movement right now.
Unconfirmed bullish signal.
Ooh, I may have to take some profit pretty soon. The sucker is pumping. If you're watching my stream, jump in the chat, interact. Okay. Nice.
Unconfirmed
So I
bullish
actually
signal.
picked up quite a few evals myself tonight on the 90%. So it's nice to be up already on these 5. I'm going to try to hit my goal in one night. I got this nasty cough. I don't know if it's allergies or what's going on.
Unconfirmed bullish TP signal.
You know, I said I was going to start streaming at 8 Central, but I got into this trade and I thought, you know what? With the Apex deal kicking off tonight, I think I'm just going to start my stream early. You see how fast you can go to green to red on the Nikkei. It is quick moving. It is very lightly traded, but when it moves, it moves. Usually when I get up like that, I'll just set a break even. I like to set a break even stop so that I can let it try to move back up. What I really should have done was go ahead and take that $800 profit and then ride this down a little bit. Come on, baby, let's move back up. I'd like to see it come down to the 34 actually, my red line, and then go back up. It would be even stronger if that happens.
Bearish signal.
I mean, I got a pretty good entry at 38,680. I mean, I'm not going to hate it if it goes back up right here, but I'd really like to see it come down and touch that and then bounce. I'm going to put a break even on my leader account. Let's see here.
Order submitted.
There we go. I've got a break even, so now the worst thing that will happen is I'll get stopped out at even. I am just fine with that. You know, now that it is trying to move up again, I'm not going to like it if it comes down and checks for 34. I mean, it came close. Oh, that's my NQ chart. I'm trying to go right here. Come on, baby. I don't know. She looks like she may want to go down. Maybe if I play a little guitar, she'll go back up, huh? If she does not bounce off of the 34 and then breaks a VWAP there, I would be a little bit concerned. But I mean, for now, the trend is still intact. Okay, that is actually looking a little bit bearish. And there we go. Let's see here. I'm going to give that a little more room. I will probably cut 10 points away from my stop. I don't know how much of a degenerate that I really want to be tonight. If old Don Mega was in here watching me, I would probably definitely choose to be a degenerate. Don is my boy over on the Obsidian. If anyone gets to trade during the daytime, go watch him and Ronnie. They're great traders. Can teach you a lot of stuff during the regular trading hours. I cannot say enough good things about the Obsidian Discord. Everyone over there is super willing to help. Live on voice almost all day long. They share their screen, share their charts, share the trader, share the indicators. It's a really great site to learn on. For sure. Alright, so we got 13 touching the 34. Again, if you do not already have an Apex account, or even if you do, go check out Apex Trader Funding. 90% off of any account right now through May the 20th. It's only through the 20th. Use code PROSPECT and you will get 90% off and 90% off recurring subscription. It's an amazing deal.
Medium cell signal.
See, now I would really want to see a bounce off of lower VWAP. I don't know if that's going to happen. There we go. I got closed out at break even. Now watch this baby touch lower VWAP and go right back up. It looks a little head and shoulderish for sure. It's not perfect, but I can see a case for a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder.
Unconfirmed medium cell signal.
Got the medium cell signal coming in. See here.
Unconfirmed strong cell signal.
Let's refresh this news. See what it says here. I may look to re-enter right here. Would like to see the 13 start curling up though. So we got 30 seconds on this candle. I'm going to take a stab, but I'm going to keep a tight leash on this. I really want to see this next candle close above or push. By the way, I'm immediately red because I'm marketed in. The Nikkei is so thinly traded, a lot of times if you're trying to get in bid, you're going to be trying for a while. So I usually will just mark it in and hope for continuation. But if it reverses here and continues down, I'll cut. I'll cut for a loss because the Nikkei, when it moves so nicely that when I am going to be able to get back in and get profit, it'll make back every bit of what I lost. That's one thing that I really like about it. Let's see. I am probably going to cut this. I'm waiting a few more seconds. Yeah, I'm out. I do believe it's going to continue down. I don't want to chase right here. It's not really an area that I want to go short and chase. But it is looking pretty weak. We just touched that previous day high, 38,625. Ronnie, if you're watching, that would have been a great point to enter, wouldn't it, bro? I should have taken profit up here and reversed right around 780 level. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. So now it's all a waiting game. Let's take a quick look right here. Show you guys a few things. One second here. Try to adjust this. There we go. So, if you do want to take advantage of the 90% off, there's my code. You can just go to my site, click here. You'll go down. You can pick your account size right down here. I prefer Rhythmic. Some people prefer Tradovate. I like the Rhythmic. I personally, I choose the 50K accounts. I really like them. They suit me the best. I have some buddies that will definitely do the higher accounts, the 250, the 300. Those are nice also. But for my style, I like to scalp. I like to get some quick profit. I like the profit goal in the 50Ks. I also do not mind the trailing drawdown. So feel free to head over, take a look. You can also find me Instagram. There's my YouTube, Facebook. This is a Discord. It's the Obsidian Discord. It's awesome. Like I said, I cannot say enough good things about it. So feel free to check that out. That is a nice drop. I want to kick myself for not getting in that. But the key is to not chase. Now, not chase. That's what you have to remember. I mean, you can see I could have got in anywhere here and still made good money, but it's just not worth it. You really don't know when it's just going to reverse. Looks like it may be slowing down a little bit. I don't know how much this news will affect the Asian market, but I do want to see what 8:30 brings. See if it brings any movement at all. Nice. She may want to drop it down a little bit more. If just one person was in the chat to tell me to chase, I would go for it. No, I wouldn't. I would definitely not chase way down here. But that would have been one hell of a catch if we went short up here to catch all the way down here. You win some, you lose some. I'm surprised that my Lawrencian indicator did not indicate short. You can see right here where the Lawrencian indicated long. That is actually what I took my entry off of earlier before I started my stream, was the Lawrencian. I rode it all the way up here. I should have exited for a nice profit there, but I did not. But you can see the Lawrencian never indicated short at all on this entire drop, and it has a 90% win rate with the current settings the way that I have it set up. And so when it does indicate, I mean, there's a 90% chance that you're going to get a good trade. But we do have some smaller indicators. This is the big guns indicator right here. It is indicating short. The big guns is old, but tried and tested. It's a very nice indicator also. And it's not available anymore. So, to those of us that have it, we have it. Well guys, I am coming up on an hour that I have been streaming. I'm going to log off and cook my family some dinner, but I'm definitely going to be back in about 20-25 minutes. I want to see what 8:30 brings, and if there's any movement at all, I'm going to start streaming again. So if you watched, I appreciate it. Come back next time. We'll get some more movement, maybe grab a couple good trades. We'll see you guys later.